Lately, I blank with a lot of issues. Deal, am dealing, have been dealing, will have been dealing. Ang keyword natin dito, lately. Pag sinabing lately, recent time. And still, nagko-continue pa rin up to present time. So, ibig sabihin, yung pag-deal niya ng issue, nag-start in the past, recent past, and then nagko-continue pa rin siya ngayon, and probably magko-continue pa rin siya in the future. At kapag naghahanap tayo ng action na nag-start prior to present and still nagko-continue pa rin siya ngayon and probably up to some future time, ang ilalagay natin dyan ay present perfect progressive. Has or have been plus verb in ing form. So sa options natin, ang naka-present perfect progressive ay letter C. Have been dealing. And since meron tayong subject na ay, gumamit tayo ng have. So ang sentence is, lately I have been dealing with a lot of issues. Again, nagsimula yung pag-deal prior to present perfect, and it's still continuing now, progressive. Kaya siya present perfect progressive.